can use chatbots to transform text from one form to another. For example, you can also use chatbots to translate from one language to another. If you took the machine translation part of this course, you used it to translate an idiom or saying, and depending on the context, the translation tool may have translated this into an idiom in the target language, or it may have translated this literally. You can also use chatbots to perform translation as well. And the nice thing is that you can ask it to translate to more than one target language at the same time. Let's see how a chatbot translates the phrase, "Every cloud has a silver lining," into multiple languages. And here I'll use Copilot. So it translates to Spanish, French, German, Chinese, Japanese, Russian, Arabic, Portuguese, Hindi. And I've actually tried this out with multiple chatbots. Most of them do pretty well with translating to Spanish. Here I'll look at the Chinese translation. And in this case, it's suggesting a phrase that looks a little bit more literal and is not the equivalent idiom in Chinese that I'm looking for. But even if you're not familiar with the target language that you're trying to translate to, you can ask a chatbot to help you out and check if it's providing a translation that a native speaker would recognize. So you can ask a follow-up question. For the Chinese translation, is this a common idiom or expression in Chinese? If not, can you suggest common idioms or expressions that have the same meaning? Let's see what it says. So now that it has a chance to double check itself, the chatbot says that this is not a common expression and lists 3 expressions that might be more recognizable to people who speak that language. And the first expression that it suggested, 塞翁失马,焉知非福, means a blessing in disguise. And that was actually the idiom that I was thinking about as the equivalent to every cloud has a silver lining.